In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a series of dates in Excel. We'll build a clean, automatic list of dates using Excel's sequence function. This is perfect for daily logs, schedules, or project timelines, and it updates instantly if you change the start date or how many dates you need. First, click the cell where you want the first date in your series to appear. Choosing this destination cell up front matters because the formula we're about to enter will spill and fill the cells to the right and down from here. If you already have a start date somewhere on your sheet, make sure you can see it so you can reference it easily. If not, you can type one into a nearby cell before continuing. Now, type the formula. Start with an equals sign, then the word sequence, and open a parenthesis. The sequence function takes up to 4 arguments in this order: number of rows, number of columns, start value, and step. For dates, the start value is your starting date, and the step is the number of days to add each time. So, for a simple vertical list of 10 daily dates that starts from the date in cell B2, you would type is sequence 10,000 B2.1. Here's how to think it through as you type. After sequence, enter how many dates you want in your list for the rows argument. Add a comma. Enter how many columns you want the series to span, usually 1 for a single vertical list. Add a comma. Then click the cell that contains your start date so it's referenced directly. Add another comma, and finally enter your step, such as 1 for daily increments or 7 for weekly increments. When in doubt, remember that Excel stores dates as serial numbers, so a step of 1 moves forward by 1 day. When you're done, press Enter. Excel will instantly spill the dates into the surrounding cells based on the rows and columns you specified. If you change the number of rows in the formula, the list automatically grows or shrinks. If you edit the start date cell, the entire series updates without you retyping anything. If the results look like plain numbers instead of dates, that just means the destination cells are using a general format. Apply a date format and the same values will display as readable dates. You can also adjust the columns argument to create multiple side-by-side date lists, all generated from a single formula. That's it. Click the cell, type the sequence formula with your rows, columns, start date, and step, then press Enter to produce a clean dynamic series of dates in seconds.